Hey there, aspiring trainer. Welcome back to another. Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 7th episode, we're going to dive into the art of engaging the audience. We'll explore various methods to actively involve the audience, foster participation, and create a lively learning environment. So, let's jump right in. As trainers, it's essential to create an interactive and engaging learning experience for our audience. Here are some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey towards becoming a successful trainer. 1. Icebreakers and energizers. Start your session with icebreakers or energizers to create a positive and welcoming atmosphere. These activities not only help participants feel more comfortable but also set the stage for active engagement throughout the session. 2. Polls and surveys. Utilize polls and surveys to gather feedback, gauge participants' understanding, and encourage active participation. Platforms like Mentimeter or Google Forms can help you create interactive polls and surveys that instantly display results, sparking discussions and insights. 3. Group discussions and brainstorming. Break participants into smaller groups and assign them discussion topics or brainstorming exercises related to the session's content. This encourages collaboration, diverse perspectives, and active engagement. For Q&A sessions, allocate specific time for participants to ask questions and seek clarification. Encourage an open and safe environment for participants to share their thoughts and concerns. Be attentive and responsive to their queries, fostering a sense of involvement and investment in the session. 5. Case studies and real-life examples. Incorporate case studies and real-life examples that relate to the topic at hand. This not only reinforces learning but also allows participants to apply their knowledge to practical scenarios, enhancing their understanding and engagement. 6. Gamification. Introduce elements of gamification into your sessions to make learning more interactive and enjoyable. Use quizzes, interactive games, or challenges to motivate participants and create a friendly competitive atmosphere. 7. Hands-on activities. Provide hands-on activities or simulations that allow participants to actively practice and apply the concepts being taught. This experiential learning approach enhances engagement, retention, and overall understanding. 8. Visual aids and multimedia. Incorporate visual aids such as slides, videos, or infographics to enhance the learning experience. Visual elements help convey information more effectively and keep participants visually engaged. 9. Encourage reflection and self-assessment. Allocate time for participants to reflect on their learning and self-assess their understanding. Provide prompts or questions that encourage participants to think critically, analyze their knowledge, and identify areas for improvement. 10. Create a supportive environment. Foster a supportive and inclusive environment where participants feel comfortable sharing their ideas and opinions. Encourage active listening, respect diverse perspectives, and create opportunities for participants to learn from one another. Remember, every audience is unique, so adapt and tailor these engagement methods to suit the specific needs and preferences of your participants. Continuously seek feedback and evaluate the effectiveness of your engagement strategies to refine and improve your sessions. So, it's time to take your training sessions to the next level by actively engaging your audience and creating a lively learning environment. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the secrets of effective feedback techniques for trainers.